Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Sign in and confirm version 1. 0 or later so features match what I describe. Once done, pick a reference image or list keywords that capture mood and features. This guides the generator. Make sure you select a style preset, cartoon for bold shapes, photoreal for subtle texture, and set canvas size, like 512 x 512, so results import cleanly into other tools. This prevents resizing artifacts later. Next, build the Genmoji by composing clear prompts. List appearance, expression, and color palette. Commas keep traits distinct. Then, tweak sliders for realism, stylization, and detail. Increase detail for texture, lower stylization for cleaner lines. Preview it 2 times or zoom to check edges, and use the brush or mask tools to nudge facial landmarks and hair boundaries. This is where you fix proportions and preserve likeness. If you iterate, save versions so you can compare different directions. Finish by exporting the Genmoji in the format you need, PNG for raster or SVG for vector edits, and select a transparent background if you'll layer it. Once exported, test the image in your target app at 100% and with small rotations to confirm alignment. If you spot artifacts or odd edges, rerun the generation with higher detail and a tighter mask, or perform a quick manual touch-up in an editor. This combination fixes most issues without losing the original look.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.